I blamed my mum for 30 years. Every bad decision, every failed relationship, every time I couldn't get my life together, there was this voice saying, it's because of what she did. And then one day, I said it all to her face. What she said back changed everything I thought I knew about forgiveness, blame, and myself. I was 12 when my parents split up. When you're 12, you don't understand complexity, you just know someone left. And it feels like they left you. Mum was the one who went. I took that personally, left school, drifted, joined the army at 16, lasted a year, bounced between jobs, colleges, versions of myself that never worked. Every time something went wrong, there she was. The excuse, the story I told myself. When you tell yourself that story for 30 years, it stops being a story and becomes the truth. At least it feels like the truth. 2 divorces, made redundant, anxiety so bad I couldn't drive, living in a barn, and through every failure, that part of me whispered, this is her fault. And the worst part, I actually believed it. Don't remember what triggered it, something small, but I snapped. 30 years of resentment poured out. Why did you leave? Do you know what you did to me? My mum looked at me and said, I can't take this anymore, Scott. I can't carry your anger for you. It's destroying me. In that exact second, something shifted. Not because she apologized, she didn't. Because I saw her, really saw her. As the person who ruined my life. As a woman who made a choice she felt she had to make. Then I thought about my own kids. Ben and Tom. I'd been divorced twice. I'd left their mum. I'd made the exact same decision she made. How could I blame her for something I'd done myself? Couldn't. Not anymore. And that brutal, uncomfortable honesty was the first step toward letting go. Let me tell you what forgiveness actually is. Most people get this wrong. It's not saying what they did was okay. It's not about them at all. Forgiveness is about you, releasing yourself from carrying that anger. Because resentment doesn't hurt them. They're getting on with their lives. You're the one lying awake. You're the one whose peace is being destroyed. Resentment is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. For 30 years, I drank that poison every day, and the only person it was killing was me. 3 things that actually helped me let go. Number 1, separate the person from the decision. Mum was not a villain. She was a struggling woman in a difficult marriage who made a choice. Once I saw her as human, flawed, scared, doing her best, the anger lost its grip. Number 2, own your part. This one hurts. My life didn't fall apart because my mum left when I was 12. It fell apart because of choices I made. The divorces, the mistakes, the years of blaming everyone else. That was me. Number 3, forgive yourself first. The reason I couldn't forgive my mum wasn't about her. I was ashamed. Ashamed of my failed marriages. Ashamed I'd become the same person I'd resented for 30 years. Until I forgave myself, I couldn't forgive anyone else. Mum and I are okay now, better than okay. It took time. It took me owning my stuff, but we got there. My relationship with my kids is stronger than ever because I stopped being the bitter man who blamed his mum and started being the dad who took responsibility. He didn't need a perfect father, they needed an honest one. I'm not saying forgiveness is easy. It took me 30 years. And I'm not saying the person who hurt you deserves it. Point is, you deserve to be free. You deserve to wake up without that weight. You deserve to move forward without dragging the past behind you. So whoever you're still angry at, a parent, an ex, a friend, yourself, just stop for a moment and ask yourself one question. What do they deserve to be forgiven? How much longer am I going to let this control my life? Because every day you hold on to that anger, you're giving them power over you. Don't have to call them. Forgiveness doesn't always mean reconciliation. Sometimes it just means deciding, today, you're putting it down, not for them, for you. I'm Scott L. Adams. This is Unlock Your Promise. If this hit home, if there's someone you've been blaming for years, subscribe. Make videos about forgiveness, rebuilding, mental health, and becoming who you were supposed to be. No gurus, no fluff, just real talk from someone who spent 30 years learning this the hard way. Now, whoever you need to forgive, get on with it.